Fiverr is one of the best freelancing websites to make money online. Now I will show you the most selling gig on Fiverr. Follow up me until the end of this video. If you are new for this channel, subscribe, like and comment. I will reply to you. Let us go to our video. Gig number one is web design and development. A lot of people want to do a website for their small business, and every company need website. Let's see together how much order they are getting with web design and the development. Let's see together. Websites design. You see this gig, 65,808 services available on this gig. You see top rated sellers. More people are getting more orders. You see this gig is top rated sellers. I will build WordPress website design and the website development. You see a lot of people are making money by website design and the development. The next gig is graphic design and the Photoshop editing gig. Let's see this one. Graphic design. You see a lot of people's 37,847 people are providing with this gig. You see a lot of orders they are getting. You are also start to make money by using this gig idea. The last gig is social media management. Let's see together. You see the result, social media management, 122,601 people are giving a service on this gig. They are selling. You know, social media nowadays the most effective way to expand businesses, and every small businesses want a social media management. You see more people are selling. Let's see this gig. I will be your social media marketing management and the content. 83 people are ordered this gig. You can establish your gig on this Fiverr gig and make money online. This is our today video. I hope you are a benefit for this gig idea. Subscribe if you are new for this channel. Comment and share to this video for your friend. See you later.